So this is the Lasko Fan, and I gotta say, for the price, it's a darn good fan. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. It has a pedestal, right? And you can change the height by twisting this. So I loosen this, and it drops. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So you can go up or down. Let me get on here and tighten it just a little bit. So there it goes. And so now I've changed the height on it. You gotta be careful. I just let it slide all the way down. But let me plug it in and I'll show you how this thing works. All right, let's go ahead and get her in. There we go. Oh my God, that doesn't want to go in. All right, now we're in. Oh, look, it's already going. All right, so the controls are back here. This is on the highest speed. I don't know, wait a minute. That's off. Let me turn it to off first. All right, so the 0 is off. Then 3 is the highest speed. Now, if you want it to stop twisting, you press that. Or no, you pull it out. There we go. So that stops it, makes it stable. Now you can change the head by just moving it like this. You follow me? So if you want it to be pointed at you like that, bam, there you go. So now if I want it to oscillate, I press this down and it oscillates. Just like that. And you get a good little breeze off it, I gotta say. You can drop it down 2 and 1, but I like to keep it on 3. So you gotta stop the oscillation if you wanna change the head, you know what I mean? And then you can go back to oscillating. All right? So if you try to change this head's angle, it won't do it when it's moving like this. You gotta come back here, pull this up, and then you can change it, you see? Now, if I want it to oscillate, I press that down, and it won't let me change it. I want to change it, I bring it up, and then it lets me do it. You see that? That's where it rotates on there. But you kind of want to get it forward. Yeah, let's go ahead and oscillate it. All right, and this is one of the cheapest fans you can get, so we got 2 of them. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on oscillating fans. Peace out.